Welcome to my channel at Tech Solution. Today I will discuss another topic of Windows Taskmanager, and it is something easy and complex topic because some applications are easy to learn, see, understand, but some applications of Taskmanager are not not understandable. But I will suppose to discuss something which can help you a better view. And to see this, the task manager is that the two part is there. Tasks, one is tasks and second is manager. That is whether whatever working is going on this computer, these are called tasks. And the management is also there, which is given by operating system to this computer. So this is a manager, so hence this is called task manager. So you see, the right click on the taskbar, this is called taskbar, and start task manager. It will start this task manager screen. This is called Windows task manager. And in case of you use this command, short command, this is task mgr. In Windows R, this is task mgr. It will also open this task manager. And in this window we are understanding these things whichever in front of us is that this is the performance of this computer, this is services area, whether the services is running or stopped, processes, whether any software is running and executing with the CPU.id, and the applications, that is the opened by the user. The applications are running on this window, and the processes are executing by Windows as well as users. Services opening by the operating systems and executing. Performance is also monitoring by this CPU and the operating system to enable us to see whether CPU is functioning as well, and whether memory is also the usage is high or low, and this is in the performance. And in case of networking, we can also see the network traffic, whether ups and downs are there, and whatever execution are going on, and this frequency of this network, and also the users connected to this computer. You can see here, this is administrator and active. Today I will show only the one part of this task manager is performance monitor. Performance means we know whatever the computer is, what is the ability of this computer, and what are the CPU is maximum is usability by this system. And this is part of called performance monitor. That is what are the ability of this CPU of this computer. So you see, this is not only the CPU, and I will show you the resource monitor is there within this performance. You see whatever is going on here. It opens another window of activities called resource monitor, and you see the carefully what are what is the discussion on this page. Yes, this is the CPU usage, memory usage, disk usage, network usage. So if you are aware of this hardware, about this computer system, all of us known to this topic, that is what is network, what is disk, what is memory, what is CPU. So all about discussion was that this research monitor is monitoring the functionalities, the abilities and functionalities of this CPU, and what are the processes taking at its hand, and what are the speed of this process, and what are the highest process of this application, that is top level of this activities held by the CPU. And in another word, it is called the IRQ. And yes, process ID is also the representing IRQ. So this is memory, And in case of memory, how many amount of memories are held by these operations? Suppose Google Chrome is here. What is it is working memory? That is in the physical memory of this computer, which we know as RAM. That is RAM area, and it is in use and it is in available. This is showing here. And also the process is also there, and respective process are also going to commit these memories, and what are the memory held by these processes are changing, and it is also recruiting in this area. This is called memory, physical memory. And also see here this in use. This is the memory in use, and this is modified, this is standby, and this is free. That is the process available in this RAM, and whatever in physical memory is doing, it is showing here. Disks, this is the input output process for hard disks. This is the hard disk area. Here the images of these activities are called input output activities. This is IO activities. So here the speed is given as 4 MB, and it is a variable of writing to this disks and the driver of this of data. And the highest active time is here also giving this in percentage. Similarly, so the network activities, in case of I am accessing some here pages, suppose Google Chrome, then it is that engaging this it is shifting the data and in the byte per second. Is this option is there, and the system is also using this area, and this is called network activity area. So I think it is now clear to you what are the performance monitor, resource monitor, and here is also the in graphical view. You see this network area is there, and the network activities are going on this PC is shown here, and I will maximize it to show the broader viewer. This is the activities area, and this is disk area, this is memory activities area, and this is CPU area, and this is all overview of this area: disk, network, and memory. So these are the area, all areas are there. So this is resource monitor. So next video I will detail discuss on this about thread, CPU time, and about CPU time, etc. and the next video. So just I will just introduce is the Windows Taskmanager is about what is this in this computer, and whatever computer is running in your PC, anybody's laptop and desktop, this Taskmanager is working itself and automatically. So thank you for viewing this video, and for I will stop this video today and close this, and for next video I will show the other processes and services, etc. Thanks for viewing this video. Thank you.